Hello students, you can see here this is an empty bottle. What is there inside this bottle? We can see it is empty, it has got nothing inside it. Okay, so now we are going to show an experiment that this bottle has got air inside it. So first we will tilt it like this, upside down, and straight upside down in this manner only we will put this bottle inside this water. I am putting this bottle straight downward here. Now if I'll take it up, there is no water inside the bottle. Now again I will put the bottle inside the water and I will try to tilt the bottle. Now let me tilt the bottle and see what happens. Now can you see these bubbles are coming out? Can you see these bubbles are coming out? It shows that this space was occupied by the air. Now the air is trying to escape from the bottle. See, so much of air is trying to escape from the bottle. Now when I remove the bottle, now see here, so much of water is filled inside. Earlier there was no water inside the bottle. Now the space which was occupied by the air, that air has moved out and that space is occupied by the water. So in this way we can say that air occupies space. Air occupies space. There is nothing, if you see anything anywhere, it is like empty, it is never empty. Like suppose this bottle is there, you can see this is an empty bottle. This bottle is not empty. It has got
air in it.
It has got air inside it. No empty thing is empty. It has got air inside it. So this experiment shows that air occupies space.